Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Let's crochet a beautiful bookmark in 10 minutes. Any kind of yarn and suitable hook for the yarn. Cast on in a magic ring. Chain 1 in the ring, then 2 short crochet. Next chain 5. Next double crochet and chain 2, repeat 2 times. Next 1 triple crochet. Next chain 2 and double crochet 2, repeat 2 times. Next chain 5, 1 short crochet, and slip in the first chain. Chain 1, short crochet 1, chain 2. Next repeat double crochet 1 and chain 1 5 times in the chain. Next repeat double crochet 1 and chain 1 2 times in the hole. Next hole, crochet in the same way. Next it's not in hole, it's at the top of the triple crochet stitch, double crochet and chain. Next 2 holes, repeat double crochet 1 chain 1, 2 times per hole. Now the last hole, repeat double crochet and chain 1 5 times. Chain 1 and slip to finish the second round. The third round, chain 1, short crochet 1 first. Repeat chain 3 and short crochet 1 19 times. At last, chain 1 and slip, next chain 20 to make a strap.